Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Experiencing the dreaded blinking blue light on your PlayStation 5 can be frustrating, especially when all you want to do is play. This common issue typically means your console is struggling to complete its startup sequence, preventing it from displaying anything on your screen. But don't worry, it's often a solvable problem, and we're here to guide you through the newest and most effective fixes for 2025. Let's get your console back on track. First, let's try the oldest trick in the book, a complete power cycle. Disconnect your PS5 from the wall outlet for at least 1 full minute. While it's unplugged, take this time to firmly reseat all of your cables, especially the power cord and your HDMI. Loose connections can often mimic more serious problems, so ensuring everything is snug is a crucial first step. This simple reset can clear many temporary startup issues, giving your console a fresh start. Next, let's focus on your display connection. Sometimes the PS5 is booting just fine, but your TV isn't receiving the signal correctly. Confirm your television is on the right HDMI input, and if possible, swap out your HDMI cable for a known good one. You might even try a different HDMI port on your TV itself. Occasionally, certain TV settings, like enhanced display modes, can interfere with the initial handshake, so ensure those are not causing the problem. If the previous steps haven't worked, it's time to consider software-related issues. You can try booting your PS5 into safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. From there, options like rebuilding the database or updating system software using a USB drive can resolve many common boot failures. A partially corrupted update file or a fragmented database is a frequent culprit for the blinking blue light, and Safe Mode offers the tools to address these directly. If after all these troubleshooting steps your PS5 is still showing that blinking blue light, it unfortunately points toward a potential internal hardware issue. At this stage, it's crucial to avoid opening the console yourself, as this can void any remaining warranty and might cause irreversible damage. Your best course of action is to contact PlayStation support directly. They can provide professional diagnostic tools or guide you through their repair or replacement process. Sometimes, it's best to let the experts handle it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.